So I was sent the SAVILAND cuticle oil pens and I was all about it because my cuticles have been dry and cracked, and honestly, they've been really frustrating lately. So the pen format is what sold me. You twist, brush it on, and you're done. No mess, no greasy fingers. I keep one by my bed, one in my bag, and one in the bathroom, so I actually remember to use them all the time, and that's really been helping me. After a few nights, my cuticles look softer and less irritated, especially around spots that usually peel and, cause that irritation, that loose skin coming up. The oil absorbs well, and it didn't feel heavy. I usually apply it at night, and by morning, my nails and surrounding skin feel so much noticeably smoother. The vitamin E is what makes the difference, especially if your cuticles get beat up from washing hands, cold weather, or nail products like mine. I notice my nails feel actually a little bit stronger and less flimsy since I started using these regularly. It's not a miracle overnight fix, but with consistent use, this stuff definitely helps. If you deal with dry cuticles or thin nails and want something simple that you'll actually use, these cuticle oil pens are a very practical option. The different scents is what makes them fun. I like that it doesn't have a greasy or weird odor. This has got like a grape, an apple, a vanilla, a lemon, and I believe this one's like a strawberry or watermelon. These just smell really, really good. It makes you kind of want to put this on more than just at night, actually.